All key metrics tick up slightly overnight, including deaths, hospitalizations, and intensive care cases. This as Maryland works to reduce the risk of a new surge. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Now, state leaders say Maryland has reached a critical milestone by testing at least 10% of the population, but they aren't letting up.
They are adding more testing to hard-hit areas, and WJZ is live. Avajoy Burnett breaks down the numbers for us and tells us why Governor Hogan says he is still concerned. Avajoy?
Hey there, guys. We want to talk about something that we're just getting in this afternoon. Starting tomorrow at 5, Anne Arundel County will mandate that people wear masks outside if you're unable to stay at least 6 feet apart. So that's just coming into us this afternoon. And back to those numbers, according to the state health department, at least 761,000 people have been tested so far here in the state of Maryland. Even so, the positivity rate is below 5%. It's been like that for at least 2 weeks, but the governor is still concerned. Health officials say Maryland has now tested at least 10% of the 6 million people in the state. Despite that milestone, Governor Larry Hogan is worried that the surge in other states could be problematic. He spoke about the issue on national TV.
And we're staying vigilant because this is by no means is this crisis behind us, and it can turn on a dime and spike up again, as we've seen across the country.
The state says figuring out who is infected continues to be a priority. Baltimore is now partnering with Johns Hopkins Medicine and the University of Maryland Medical Center for mobile testing.
Our goal with these new mobile testing sites is to make it easier for residents without access to a car to find safe, reliable testing.
Starting Friday at 5 in Anne Arundel County, masks will be mandatory outside when people are not able to stay at least 6 feet apart. The county will be working with the police department to keep people informed.
So the way the police are approaching that is to, as I mentioned, offer a mask to a person and and a handout to explain that. Our goal is to get people to actually wear the mask.
We are doing much better.
In Prince George's County, the hardest hit in the state, County Executive Angela Alsobrooke says their positivity rate took a nosedive from 43 to just 6%. But the work continues.
This is astonishing. The actions that we have taken as a county government as well as the community has really helped to flatten the curve.
Anne Arundel County also announced an initiative to give $500 debit cards to people who've been laid off if they do not qualify for state benefits. Live at 6, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.